So can I stack wheel spaces for this Mercedes G-Wagon? It is generally not recommended to stack wheel spacers, unless it is used to change PCD or other special situations that require stacking, and a maximum of 2 spacers are safe. We recommend installing wheel spacers with right thickness. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get us BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.